Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you. Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and we have for you an exhaust system for the R34 Skyline. That's the Japanese Skyline R34 chassis type made by Kakimoto Racing. This is the Kakimoto emblem you can see here, special racing produce. Kakimoto Racing, Run Up Sport. Very Japanese English there with Kakimoto written on there in Japanese. Just enlarge the emblem there, you can see Kakimoto. Okay, this is the exhaust here, front and back pipes with the muffler. A closer look at the muffler. And another look. Pipes again. And the whole exhaust connected together. So that's a Kakimoto R34 Skyline exhaust. Thank you. In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.